Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, "Coach, high school graduate lang ako." So let me tell you, let me remind you, education alone is not the guarantee para maging successful ka sa buhay. Alam mo ba, ang daming graduate, ang daming may diploma, ang daming may honors, medal, certificates. Pero bakit? Bakit hindi lahat umaasenso? Bakit hindi lahat nagiging fulfilled? Bakit hindi lahat nagtatagumpay sa buhay? Sa life. Bakit? Kasi education gives information, pero hindi nito tinuturo ang transformation. Sa totoong buhay, hindi lang degree ang puhunan. Yes, importante, mahalaga ito. Pero hindi lang ito ang puhunan. Success is built through disiplina, character, mindset, courage, resilience, faith, and daily decisions. You need to decide. You need to take action. Education open doors, pero ikaw pa rin ang papasok. Ikaw pa rin ang lalaban. Ikaw pa rin ang magpupursigi araw-araw. Makilala ka bang matalino pero tamad? Degree holder pero walang direction. Magaling sa exam pero hirap sa buhay, hirap sa real life. Kasi ganito, school trains your mind, but life trains your character. And character sustains the success that education only started. At higit sa lahat, success doesn't come from paper or certificates or rewards or anything. It comes from the calling God placed in your heart, in your life. Hindi importante kung saan ka nanggaling eh. Ang importante, alam mo kung saan? Kung sino ang sinusunod mo. When God is the one who promotes you, wala ring sistema, walang tao, walang title ang makakapigil sa'yo. Education is good. This is a powerful tool. It's powerful, it's valuable. But remember this, education gives the knowledge, discipline gives the progress, faith gives direction, and your character gives success.